The fact that this type of ore stretches across southern Europe, it's the Trail of the Templars. Could this artifact be associated with it? It could, but there's a lot of work to do yet. I think the swamp is much more complex than we believe. I have always thought that there were some answers in their own. Now that's a good signal. The Oak Island crew has just stumbled upon a hidden hatch buried deep within the island. This unexpected find has everyone buzzing with excitement and curiosity. What could be hidden behind this door could change the whole investigation. Could it be the key to the island's legendary treasures, or something even more surprising? Let us take a closer look at this strange discovery and uncover what lies beneath Oak Island. A surprising find on Oak Island in the heart of Nova Scotia. Brothers Rick and Marty Lena, together with their crew, set out to uncover the old and hidden stories of Oak Island. They had faced many tough situations while hunting for the island known treasure. However, when they uncovered something totally unexpected, it completely changed their perspective. Their adventure kicked off with the discovery of an ancient map. This map was a game changer because it showed the way to a buried entrance. The entire team was buzzing with excitement, wondering what they might find underneath. Could this hidden entrance lead them to the fabled treasures of Oak Island, or was it just a pathway to more complex challenges? The thrill of exploring the deepest tales of the island and was real for everyone involved. Sitting in a dimly lit room around the big table, Rick, Marty and their team discussed the local history with Doug Kroll. They were also joined by Zaya Halper, a noted expert on the Knights Templar. Her knowledge and energy were infectious as she brought to light a significant find that could possibly answer many of the old questions about Oak Island. Zeno introduced them to two old maps along with a strange code. The team was stunned to see the date on the first map, 1179, marked in Roman numerals. The map clearly indicated Oak Island and had a point marked RH on right on top of it. Xena believed this hinted at New Ross, a place linked to a well-known explorer, Henry Sinclair, who traveled to Nova Scotia in 1398. The room filled with a sense of wonder and curiosity. Could these maps be the key to finding the long-sought treasures of Oak Island? With Xena's new information, the team felt a renewed sense of purpose and pushed forward in their quest for answers. As they pondered the implications of these old cartographic signs, it was evident that there were still many unanswered questions about Oak Island. With new energy, the team began a thorough exploration, leaving no stone unturned. Every discovery brought them closer to understanding, yet also deeper into the realm of the unknown. They navigated tough terrain and dealt with unexpected roadblocks, but their resolve only strengthened. The bond between Rick, Marty, and the rest of the team grew stronger, united by their shared passion for uncovering the long-lost stories hidden by Oak Island. This strange island in Canada is believed to have connections to the Knights Templar, an influential medieval group. Some stories suggest that a Templar stronghold was established there in the 1300s by a Scottish knight, Prince Henry Sinclair. However, recent findings suggest an even more intriguing story. Xena Helper uncovered clues indicating that the Templars might have been on Oak Island long before Sinclair's visit, which suggests that the nearby town of New Ross has a much deeper history linked to the Templars than previously thought. The importance of Xena's maps in this unfolding story is immense. One map showed all of Nova Scotia, while the other, a French map from 1347, was particularly intriguing. This old map with French inscriptions suggested that the French might have been on the island back then. It referred to features like a basin, possibly a swamp, and a dam, maybe something discovered by another researcher. Interestingly, the map also featured phrases like oak in a year that seemed to point to a well-known treasure location on Oak Island. The map also contained confusing words like anchors and valve that added to the intrigue. The team's excitement grew with these maps as they continued their search for clarity. Each new clue helped them piece together more of the island's history, reinforcing their belief that its true story was buried, waiting to be discovered. This strengthened their conviction that Oak Island's history might be different from what was commonly believed. Maybe the Knights Templar historic group were there before Henry Sinclair. Did they leave behind any hints, treasures, or even a hidden fortress? Excited by what Zaya Halper had discovered and the clues on the maps, the team was more motivated than ever to solve the long-standing riddles of Oak Island. More discoveries lay ahead, and they felt they were close to finally uncovering the truth. Just as they started to understand their discoveries, an old map showed them something that could take their search even further. Searching for lost entrance legends mentioned a hidden door on the island yet to be found, which raised more questions about other wonders that might be buried. That to find answers, they carefully compared the old maps to current geographical data, looking for matches and any anomalies. They believed these strange markers were essential to solving the long-standing riddles of the island. Rick Lane knew the challenges ahead were significant. Although they were uncertain about the accuracy of Xena's findings, they were eager to explore all possibilities. Oakland's history was filled with various tales and theories, so they had to consider all information. Xena's research seemed thoroughly conducted, making Rick keen not to overlook it. Each step they took brought them closer to potentially historic discoveries. Rick, Marty, and Their team went to examine an unusual depression near Dave's house thinking it might be significant. Jack, another team member, took the initiative by comparing the old map with recent satellite images. To their amazement, the outline of the map aligned perfectly with the island's current shoreline. More remarkably, it roughly showed the location of Dave's driveway, road and house, indicating that their ancient map might reflect the island's current layout. Jack cautioned that they still didn't know exactly what the hidden object they were looking for looked like, which meant they needed more clues to locate it. However, a hopeful sign appeared. Both the old map and the satellite image marked a peculiar spot, a potential site for the rumored hidden entrance on Oak Island. The team was thrilled at the possibility that the map was authentic and that the marked hole could indeed be the elusive entrance. They were eager to learn more about the potential hidden wonders below. Rick and Marty debated the implications of their find, pondering where the pirates or ancient civilizations might have hidden something significant. That despite the uncertainties and challenges, their determination to solve the long-standing riddles of Oak Island was stronger than ever. David Blankenship felt a rush of excitement when he noticed that an old map lined up perfectly with a current satellite image of the area. Eager to delve deep, he asked Jack Beigel to bring along a metal detector. Ramping up their investigation with fresh enthusiasm, they followed the map's guidance, hopeful that it would lead them to a hidden entrance that another ancient document had hinted at. The team couldn't stop talking about what they might discover underneath. Perhaps it was a passage to the money pit, or even treasures hidden away for hundreds of years. Marty Lena was amazed, believing this to be one of the most intriguing finds they'd encountered in this part of the island. As they approached the target spot, the excitement within the team surged. Everyone was buzzing with thoughts of what treasures and historical artifacts might be waiting just below the surface. When they finally reached the designated area, the air was thick with anticipation, almost as if the ground itself was eager to unveil its hidden wonders.